Hello, beautiful. Welcome to part 3 of the combo. It's not gonna be that hard. You know why? Because it kind of repeats what you did in combo 1. I'm just gonna add some variation, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. So it's your last combo and to the song, and so let's get to it. By now, part 1 should be a little bit easier to do. So let's review it and add some variation to it for part 3. So we start, the music kind of repeats itself over and over. We got da 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 da, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Anyways, I'm not the greatest when it comes to singing, but anyways, da 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 da. And we usually do a hop on part 1. This time, you're going to do shoulder accent 1, 2, 3. And then you repeat. Shoulder, hip shimmy. Da, da, da. You do that twice, right? Da, da, da. And do that again. Da, 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 da. Shoulder accent 3 times. Da, da, da. And what's next? Well, it's that side kind of brush or push, okay? So we're gonna go side, side, and then instead of doing a loop up, let's loop reverse. Let's do the Maya, a reverse Maya. So you're gonna go up and over. So you're coming from here up and over. Instead of coming out and in, you're coming in to out, in to out. Okay, and then bring it in, and then we're gonna repeat this again. This time we go left, right, now hold here, left, and then bring it inward first, in and out, and in and out. Okay, so let's do that again, this part. So you're going out and in, out and in, out, in, out, in, out, bring it in, out and in, out and in, out, in, out, loop inward to out. Good. And then we do our Arabic step. That didn't change. So you bring the foot in, switch over. Now the right foot goes forward and back, and forward and back. Step on the left foot, bring it around, a little shimmy. Bring your left foot forward and back. It's your left foot. Your right foot, sorry, my left. It's your right foot. Don't look at me. Right foot forward and back, forward and back. But step on the left foot and swivel. Bring yourself for a turn. And bring yourself back in with the little shimmy. And then we do the rock undulation. So your right foot, and you go into your circle. Now I want you to bring your arm out, and then in, and then you go Arabic step forward and back, but I want you to go en releve, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, and undulate, rock, 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 rock. Actually bring your hands in to up. Rock, 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 rock. Okay. In, out. Trace that beautiful body of yours. Bring the elbows up and out. Okay, and then what's next? What's next? Oh, we're at the end. It's the finale. So then you're gonna go and rock your right foot to the corner of the left, and then here, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want you to step 1, 2, 3, and hold here, 4. So all you did is you walked around in a circle with 3 steps, and then hold on your right foot and do your classical pose, and kind of just say, I'm done, or finish, or c'est tout. That's it. Okay, So let's go from, you came around the rocking motion, undulate. You do 8 of these. And then you're gonna go corner, rock, forward, rock, corner, forward, and just walk, 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 and that's it. Little pose here. So you wanna make sure you're standing on the back leg, your right foot, and the heel of the other one is just on the arch. And just whatever pose that you want. Strike a pose. All right, we're going to do it 4 times with music. Left, right, left. Corner, front, corner, walk, 1, 2, 3, hold. All right, let's do it 3 more times. Hold. 2 more. One more. Yay! All right, so next week or next video, I'm gonna put it all together and then add on the different variation that you could do with your arms. And so really just practice the footwork and then, you know, do whatever comes naturally with your arms. And then we'll play around and maybe, you know, like I said, this is a template. So maybe you could travel with your, instead of staying on the place, and we'll do that in the next video. Just don't worry about it. Just have fun with this little combo and just practice it and just have fun. And I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video and happy dancing. Mwah.